3 pro tips for using FlutterFlow. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore these tips. So the number 1 tip is that enable analytics in the settings before publishing your application. So for this, just simply go to your settings, and here when you scroll down you would be able to find Google Analytics and all sort of integrations. So it would be better that you enable them before publishing your application, as it will help you with understanding the user behavior and also optimizing the user interface. So make sure that you do it. The second tip is that use inspect element of your browser, so it will help you with all the errors that you get on your application, and also it will help you with the request checks. Over here you would be able to find inspect element. Just simply open it up and you would find all the errors, and when you click on this option of more, you would be able to find the option of network, and here you would be able to find all the requests. So this way you would be able to solve the problems that you are facing while building your application. Also, while doing any conditional text, make sure that you avoid it while doing it, as it will restrict your launch while doing it internationally. And instead of this, it's better that you duplicate the text widgets and show them conditionally. So this would help you in a better way, and do it from the very beginning. And these were some pro tips, the 3 best tips for FlutterFlow. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.